Yes, in the first video we had read that how author had created confusion while packing his bag, how he had taken time or how much times he had taken out, he had opened the bag and repacked the bag. Next is when I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. When author was finished after packing his toothbrush, he had packed the bag and he had finished his packing. Then George asked whether he had packed the soap. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it wasn't. Then the author replied in an angry way that I don't care. I didn't care whether it was packed or not. And I slammed the bag shut and strapped it. And then he closed the bag and tied it and found that I had packed my spectacles in it. Then he had found that he had packed his specs in the bag and then he had to reopen it again to take out his specs. It got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. Then at last at 10:05 p.m. he had packed the bag properly, and then there remained the hampers to do. Hampers meaning is one kind of basket in which they will keep eatable things. Only that thing was left to pack. Harry said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours, that they had to start their journey less than 12 hours, and thought that he and George had better to do the rest. And I agreed and sat down, and they had a go. And then Harris told that he or George both will do the packing of hamper, and he would do the rest, or the author would do the rest. They began in a light-hearted spirit. They started doing packing of hamper, evidently intending to show me how to do. Intending meaning is planning. Evidently meaning is clearly means their plan was to show to the author that how to do the packing. As author has created a lot of confusion while packing, now the Harris and George wanted to show that how to do the packing without confusion. I made no any comment. Then author has not spoken anything. I only waited. With the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in this world, and he only waited that how George and Harris would do the packing. But author has expected that Harris is the worst packer in this world, means bad packer in the world. And I looked at the piles of plates and cups. He saw towards the piles meaning is group of plates and cups and kettles, bottles, jars, pies, stoves, cakes, tomatoes, etc. means everything they had to pack in the hamper, and felt that the thing would soon become exciting, means now the actual fun would be created during the packing. It did, and now the fun started. How the fun started? They started with breaking a cup. Means they started the packing by breaking a cup. At the starting, they had broken the cup. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you what they could do, and they did that thing means they had broken the cup to show that what they can do and to get you interested, means to create a fun what they could do. Then Harris packed. Then Harris started packing the strawberry jam on top of tomato. Means Harris kept the strawberry jam bottle on the top of tomato, on above the tomato, and squashed it. Squashed meaning is crushed it, and it had crushed the tomato. And they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. Then, as the tomato was crushed, so they had took out the tomato from the hamper with the help of teaspoon. And then it was George's turn. Now it was the turn of George, and he trod on the butter, means he kept his trod meaning is he kept his foot on the butter, but the author didn't say anything. But I came over and sat on the edge of the table. That author came and just sat on the table where they both were. Harris and George both were doing their packing, and watched them, and he was looking towards them. As the author just came and sat on the table, it irritated them more than anything I could have said. And this thing irritated them more because author was enjoying how they were creating the confusion. I felt that it made them nervous and excited, means by they became nervous and excited, and they stepped on the things, means while packing they were feeling very nervous. That's why they were stepping we can say they were keeping the foot, or they were breaking the things. and put things behind them. Sometimes they are keeping the things behind them and then couldn't find them when they wanted them, and then they couldn't find them when they had a need of those things, and then packed the pies at the bottom. Then they kept the pies is one kind of eatable, soft eatable things like a cake type. Then they kept the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top and smashed the pies, and in the result, the pies were also crushed. Smashed meaning is crushed. They upset salt over everything. Then they spread salt over everything. And as for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. And with the butter, what they did, that author said that I can't even seen anyone was behaving so worse with the butter or any other thing in his whole life. After George had got it off his slipper, when George had removed the butter from his slipper, and they tried to put it in the kettle, then they tried to keep the butter in the kettle, it wouldn't go in, but the butter didn't go in the kettle, and what was in wouldn't come out. Why the butter was not going inside? Because what was in the kettle, it was not coming out. Then they did scrap, then they scratched it uh, out at last and put it down on the chair. Means they removed it properly from the slipper or from the hands and kept it on the chair, and Harry sat on it. And then at last Harry sat on the butter again on the chair. Then it stuck to him, means it that we can say stick with his pant, and they went looking for it all over the room. Then they started finding for the butter everywhere in the room. I'll take my oath. Oath meaning is pledge. I put it down on the chair, means when they were finding the butter all over the room. Then the George said that he had kept the butter on the chair, staring at the empty seat, and he was looking towards the empty seat, that he has kept the butter on the chair, now it is empty. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. Then Harris also agreed with him that I had also seen you, that you had kept a butter on the chair. Then they started round the room again looking for it. Then they started finding the butter again in the room, and then they met again in the center and stared at one another. And at last again they met at the center of the room and saw towards each other. Most extraordinary thing I have ever heard, said George. George said that it is an uncommon, extraordinary thing, meaning is it is a very special thing which I had heard, because he had kept the butter of 1 minute before and now it is not nowhere. So mysterious, said Harris, and Harris also agreed that it is full of mystery. Mystery meaning is one kind of a secret. Then George got round at the back of Harris. Then George came back of the Harris and saw that the butter was stuck with Harris' pant. Why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indiligently. Indignantly meaning is in anger. He asked from Harris that why every time you are behaving this way. Where? Cried Harris. Then Harris cried that where is the butter? Spinning round. Spinning round meaning is facing towards George, moving round. Stand still, can't you? Roared George. Then when Harris moved, then George said that you can't stand still. Flying after him again, George moved back towards Harris, and then they got it off and packed it in the teapot. Then they removed the butter from Harry's pant and packed it in the teapot. Next is Montmorency was in it. Montmorency is a dog name. Montmorency was a dog. He was also came inside the room. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at. Montmorency's ambition meaning his aim in life was to create disturbance in every task. If he can squirm in any way where he particularly is not wanted, and be a perfect nuisance and make people mad, be sworn at be squirm in anywhere meaning is that enter with difficulty, that he entered with difficulty anywhere with where he particularly is not needed, means when where there is no need of Montmorency, he entered in that situation with very difficulty and be a perfect nuisance and started creating disturbance. Nuisance meaning is disturbance, and make people mad and make the people also angry and have things thrown at his head. And then the things started throwing things here and there, and then he feels his day has not been wasted, means until he will not create confusion in others work, he thought that his day has not been utilized. Means when he will create confusion, then he thought that his day was not